Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ijoma, but you can call me IJ. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today I will show you how to make this healthy, delicious fresh tomato sauce with chicken. In fact, this sauce goes well for people that has allergy. If you don't like to fry your sauce or fry your stew, I think this is good for you. This sauce also goes well with rice, yam, anything you can think of. So let's get started. To start off, we are going to be using curry, thyme, some vegetable oil, Greenbell pepper, fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, pepper, Maggie cubes, chopped onions, and chicken. We're also going to be using these onions for our main sauce. I will start by cutting the tomatoes. The tomatoes, you don't really have to slice it very tiny. Just divide it into two. That's the way I'm doing it. As you can see, I am done with the slicing of the tomatoes. Now, let's start cooking. To season our chicken, we have added Maggie, some curry, thyme, and salt. We didn't add water now. We allow it to cook for some minutes before we add water. Chicken here you go. So our chicken is ready. Let's continue. Right now, we are starting with our oil. Not up to a spoon, just little oil will be fine. You really need to allow the oil to be hot. Add everything. Add onion. Now we'll be adding curry, small thyme, tomato paste, mix it together. Then add our chicken. You can add small chicken stock. Just cook for some minutes and it's ready.